Okay. And we are looking at example 1 on page 416, so follow along in your book. And we're going to be pulling out all of those math words that pertain to multiplying, like factoring, greatest common factors, and everything else, and prime factorization, and all of that stuff. And so we'll just bring it back up here. Example 1 on page 416 says we have the monomial 4x and 12x. And those are really just terms. And so they want to know what factors are they. Well, we can get a 2 times 2 times x. And this one can be 2 times 2 times 3 times x. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12 times x. So they're saying that what they have in common, both of them have 2 times 2, which is 4. And both of them have an x. So the greatest common factor of both of them is a 4x. So I can pull out a 4 in the 4x and a 4 in the 12x, but I can also pull out an x. So if I factored that out, I could get the greatest common factor would be 4x. Remember, we're undoing what we just learned. Number 2 in that same section is the fact the monomials are 18a and 20ab. And so you can go through it and let's look what's in common for both. Well, I know I can pull out a 2 for both. Can I pull out any more than that? I get 9/10, and that's about it. So if you factor that out, you get 2 times 3 times 3 times a. But we can also pull out an a. So the greatest common factor is 2a. So just looking at that here, Buxy's in. And let's go through this again because this